This is our Chicago cutlery knife set, and all in all, this is a great set of knives. There's a few things I really like about it, but a couple things I really don't. A couple things I really like about it is the knives are actually very well constructed, well built, and they stay sharp forever. The other really good thing about this is this knife sharpener works really well. I've used other ones that don't work that great, but before you use the knife, just take it out, give it a couple swipes, and you're good to go, and these things will stay sharp for years. I think I've had these for about 4 years, and they're still razor sharp. They do say that these are hand wash only. I throw them in the dishwasher and I haven't had any issues with it. Eventually I'm sure it'll come back to bite me, but for now, works great. Couple things I don't like about it. The first thing is this set of scissors here is just a different set of kitchen scissors that my wife and I bought, because the scissors that come with it are garbage. They dull out, they break, they're junk, and after about a year of use, they were no good, so we had to go buy this second set of scissors. The other thing that I don't really like about it that much is I wish some of the smaller knives that this came with were actually serrated, so they were good steak knives. Now again, these are so sharp they will still cut a steak with no problem, but really the only serrated knife, there's a bread knife in here, that one's serrated, but nothing else in here is serrated. So if you're looking for a set of steak knives, you're probably going to have to buy something separate, or just to get a different knife block all in all. Like I said, I love this. This is great. You should just be aware that the scissors are junk, but this will last for a very long time, and you will have a quality set of knives that stay sharp.